Forever guys, good morning. It is Ave Kourukakalu. Angilau si kaku o me fungi laula le a whai ka komer Kourukaka. Let's try it again. Talo Forever guys, good morning. It is Saturday here in Samoa. Me, Siave and Uati are heading to the farm. Uati is joining us later, but me and Siave thought we'll make a quick, make an early start today. So we've got a funeral taking place in the village this Saturday, so that's why Uncle's not available. But I think he will join us later. But we're just going today to do some farm chores. This week has been a great week for us. We've been harvesting lettuce and pak choy, and we've been selling it for 3 days back to back. So in those 3 days we made about $650 just from lettuce sales alone, and I think we're very happy with the sales of lettuce. So I think we'll go and we might be planting some more lettuce. But yeah guys, hope you enjoy the content today. Sorry, I'm a bit out of breath at the moment, but we will be doing a bit of cooking at the farm as well, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys, and yeah, kick back and relax, and we'll get back to you when we get to the farm. Alright fam, so we are finally here at the cattle farm and the plantation. I'm just going to rest up a bit back in the house. So as you see there in the top left side of the screen, I'm just going to head there to the house and just rest up a bit and then wait for Siave and Uati to arrive. But the cows are looking good. Grass is very green, so despite here in Samoa the El Nino has been officially declared. And despite that, it's very good to see that the grass is still green on the paddock, and moisture is very high. So hopefully we can maintain this level of greenness and moisture throughout the year, and that'll be depending on how much rainfall we get. So but also we'll try and move the cattle as much as we can, and not restrict them to one plot. So everyone's looking good. All right, let's head to the house. And just in case you're wondering where Siave went, we forgot one of the stuff to bring to the farm for the cooking, so I sent back Siave to quickly run back and grab it. It was the lighter because I'm not gonna be rubbing sticks here, dry sticks here. So I thought I would run back, get the lighter, and then he'll come with Wati here, so he'll meet us here soon. Yeah. All right, Wati's here. Just waiting on Siave now. And there is Siave. Right there. No, not the cow's butt. There. Right there. Alright, so I've just told Wati and Siave to take the cows out onto the front where we've got the electric fence going. Just in the front there where I was walking, just so that they can graze inside that area and still free up this green paddock we have for the next time. So yeah, a lot of moving, rotational grazing, just so that we can save as much grass for the cows and move them as much. So that entire block is fenced off with the electric fence, so we're pretty good. There's no need to worry. And then there's this guy. Alright guys, so we're finally here. Just gonna break for about 10 minutes and then we'll start again. To get the food out of the way, we've got the chicken defrosting on the roof. Wati there's getting the tire out of the way, then we'll head to do the lettuce and then come back when it's not hot and it's time to have lunch. Right, so I'm just a bit careful in case I don't step on any of the tomatoes, but I'll just go quickly look at the lettuce we need to move to a new plot that have been germinating well. You can see there's quite a lot of tomatoes growing in the farm at the moment, so we'll just, and that's, I think this should be ready in the next 2 weeks, hopefully. Very nice tomatoes. So you see here, look at that, it's very nice tomatoes. Probably another 2 weeks and then we can see the lettuce in this. So I'll weave my way around here. Hopefully I don't step on anything. We've got the sticks where the tomatoes are tied to. Lots of tomatoes, as you can see there. This whole plot's tomatoes. Then we've got the ava. You can see the ava growing well in there. Look at these tomatoes. Woo! Some nice tomatoes, man. Look at that. So the only thing we're adding ole vaisisi, and that's to stop the snails from eating the lettuce. But you can see, oh, langi lettuce le kokoi. So those are the ones we need to transplant into other plots. There's another bunch in the back there. And just around here there was mostly pak choi. So this is where most of the lettuce came from that we've been selling this week. Really good. As you can see, we've also got some more tomatoes over there. Lots of tomatoes, and everything where there is low news is where the ava is. So these coconut branches, and that's just to shield it from the sun, because these are very early stages for the ava plant, and you want to be sure that it grows well and strong before you actually take it off. So see how it's nice and strong at the moment? That's why we've got these to cover that. Alright, kala come. That should be enough for now. We'll try and plant them towards that area, going up to that area. So when we were harvesting lettuce and pak choi, most of the leaves that were just slightly rotten, decomposed rather, just left it here so that returns the organic matter back into the soil and betters the soil. I think we might plant a few on that side. So doing pretty well. We'll do a count later, but we're just trying to transplant as much lettuce as we can before lunchtime. Alright guys, so just finished with the lettuce. We'll plant more probably next week, but we just wanted to clear up one of the stuff where we were germinating the seeds, and now that they've been transplanted, the most of them, I think we did about close to 400 lettuce, so that's good enough for us, and good for harvest for the next time. But as long as cleared up most of what was inside there. All right, time for lunch. Ja, so cool. Solo e ki falo fa pele la alu kai falo le tisle pu hey folla ngai mea laki pe ko yola yes. Right, so we're now done. Just gonna head prep lunch of yakama, and yeah, time to eat, but we gotta cook it first. Alright, so we've got our chicken here that was defrosting on the roof of the house. Got our taro. And then I also packed some soy sauce, water, onions, and a bit of herbs. See there? So Av is just washing his hands so that he can put in the chicken, and then we'll let it marinate before we start cooking. Look at that view, man. Oh, geez, I love this view. Cara de o ko foi me o manga ia foi lá os que dinga ngai ko foi pamu ko mori ko i mori ko ai ale ko foi me ai ngo ma ko ngi fa penga life ka vale solo am foi me. Can't wait. The barbecue is nice. It's very marinated now, so we're gonna wait for the saka to finish, and then Waki's gonna make it higher, and then we can just sit next to the house. Liu 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 imu mo lau barbecue. see, just finished with the sucker. So he said he's going to make it just a platform a bit higher where the barbecue will take place. It's a barbecue. And then that way the heat is pretty far from the chickens. And then we'll lower it down if we need to. But yeah, just to build up the heat. Looking forward. I'm not interfering with cooking anymore. I just want to leave it to Uati and Siave. They'll handle everything, and I'm just making sure the content is good for you guys, because then I cook on Sundays, you know. So this is Siave and Uati's cooking day. Can't get any fresher than this. Alright, so Wati there just putting it in back into the sauce, and then we'll leave it on the fire just to steam a bit. Alright, so you see the setup. Di kamay kami ko kalipe setup pa kamay lela steam no la papakiwa kama just to put it through the final cook. And then we got a cucumber here, Siave and Uati went and got. So yeah, very nice. Oh, she's steaming. Look, it's steaming. Very nice. Eee. Wasu merkama. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Scoot. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't think I was so spectacular about oh. Wati then Siave just going with you Wati. So that's why they're gonna get some coconuts for us. And just because it makes the dinner, the lunch more, better. Totally. He also has got some coconut. And I think kung ilaw niyo lang ay fay ako ngam kaya. Kaya nga ay kamaso. Ay ya. Biyan lang ay mailo. Oh, kungil kupe saula ia makukukar kamalia fay marsho. Oh, esse level ole. Na kamangalia, ip mafolo. Ngalo. Ngai okay. O suave. Kung awo papakiu sa ole kung. Check isso. Mau. Yeah. All right. So what's they're just getting the coconuts ready. The food is ready, so we're about to have lunch. But first, we must pray. Tidak kau luka kalau luka kuri wat. Angin. Cik ma, nak kumula wip. Mau kuri. Oh ngalip, muris kan? Hi, suka mak. La. Holy. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Woo! Oh yeah. Umaleso. Umaleso. Olha, foi com maluco. Nenhum. É bem se isso é o meu favorito, isso é só. Ah, maluco, olha. Oh yeah, yeah. She. Alright guys, just finished lunch. It's a really good lunch, you know, after hard work. I think we deserved a little barbecue, and yeah, just not too long ago, just before we had lunch, the rain came in, so we're very happy because but for now I think we're just gonna crash, get some rest in, probably sleep for about 3-4 hours, and then we head home. Wow, ukawa mai. Hey. Oh, they're just eating their sound. Oh, ay lo masima. Yelay. Ay lo masima, oles me ay. Tek. Hiya. Muy, muy. Muy. Alright fam, so we got home about 2 hours ago. It's now coming up to 6 p.m. and yeah, we're just about, me and Uncle and Wat about to head off to the usual committee meeting here in our village, just so we do this every Saturday around 6 to 7 p.m. just to, you know, talk about village issues that we can help out with in real time, especially with the Leuleunga, which is, you know, the usual curfew in the village. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the content today. Really enjoyed making it for you guys. Also want to say thank you for tuning in, really appreciate it. I'm about to sign off, and yeah, we're gonna get some rest, but we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. If you've enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. But yeah, we'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.